Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video, I will tell you about Earth's motion, rotation and revolution. The shape of the Earth is like a sphere, flattened at the top and the bottom. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center from the North Pole to the South Pole. The North Pole and the South Pole are at the opposite ends of the Earth. The axis is tilted at an angle. The Earth does not stand still. It is constantly in motion. It has two types of motions, rotation and revolution. First, we will talk about rotation. The Earth spins on its axis. This spinning of the Earth on its axis is called the rotation of the Earth. It rotates from west to east and completes one rotation in 24 hours. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. As the Earth rotates or spins on its axis, sunlight falls only on one side of it. The part of the Earth facing the sun receives the sun's light and has day. The part that is away from the sun has night. After some time, the part of the Earth that has day will experience night. The part that has night experiences day. Every 24 hours we experience one day and one night. Every morning the sun rises. It then appears to move across the sky from east to west and sets in the west. But does the sun actually travel across the sky? No, it does not. The Earth rotating on its axis makes it look like the sun is moving across the sky. When our location on the Earth rotates towards the sun, we see the sunrise. As the Earth continues to spin on its axis, the sun appears higher in the sky. When our location on the Earth rotates away from the sun, we see the sunset. One way to study the rotation of the Earth is by observing shadows. Now we will talk about revolution. As well as rotating on its axis, the Earth also moves around the sun. The movement of the Earth in a fixed path around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. We experience different seasons on the earth. Seasons are caused because of the tilt of the earth's axis and the revolution of the earth around the sun. The earth's axis always points in the same direction. During its orbit, different parts of the earth are tilted towards the sun at different times and receive different amounts of sunlight. This causes seasons. When the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, the South Pole is tilted away from it. The northern hemisphere receives the direct rays of the sun and has summer, while the southern hemisphere receives the slanting rays and has winter. When the earth is on the other side, the South Pole is tilted towards the sun. The southern hemisphere has summer, while the northern hemisphere has winter. One rotation of the earth around the sun takes 1 day. One revolution of the earth around the sun takes 1 year.